If you've ever fantasized about leaving it all behind for a life of tranquility and adventure in a paradise-like setting, then this is the video you've been waiting for. We'll take you on a journey to discover the hidden treasures of stunning beaches, majestic mountains, and captivating cities, all with a price tag that won't break the bank. Whether you're dreaming of a serene retirement or the freedom to live life on your terms without the burden of excessive expenses, we've got you covered. Join us as we unveil the best and most affordable destinations that promise a life of comfort, culture, and new experiences. So get ready to open your mind to exciting possibilities as we reveal the 8 most budget-friendly countries to live and retire, where dreams of a fulfilling life can become an extraordinary reality. Let's begin this incredible adventure together. Number 8. Spain. Spain, a dream destination in the heart of Europe, offers a serene and adventurous life. Its diverse landscapes, from beautiful beaches to majestic mountains, and rich cultural heritage make it ideal for living in retirement. The remarkably affordable cost of living, around $2,000 per month for a couple, is enticing. Fresh produce is abundant, with fruits and vegetables priced at just €1 per kilo or less. Even in bustling cities like Madrid or Barcelona, living costs are economical compared to other major European and American cities, with an average property price per square meter in Barcelona ranging from €4,500 to €6,000. Spain is an attractive choice for those seeking their dream home or retirement sanctuary. Spain's combination of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and affordability makes it a top European paradise for living and retirement. Number 7. Thailand. Thailand is a truly diverse country, offers an all-encompassing experience to those who seek it. With some of the world's most breathtaking beaches situated in its southern region, Thailand entices retirees dreaming of a tropical haven. Whether you prefer the bustling seaside resorts or the tranquility of the islands, there's something for everyone. The cost of living in Thailand is impressively affordable, with the possibility of living comfortably on around $500 per month. Your choice in lifestyle and location within the country will influence the expenses. There are numerous places where you can indulge in delicious dining experiences without breaking the bank, leaving the table with change with just $5. Plus, access to quality healthcare is also inexpensive, as a full checkup by a Western-trained doctor in a modern hospital costs less than $40, making Thailand a captivating and budget-friendly retirement destination for all to explore. Number 6. Peru. Peru, renowned as the home of the captivating mountaintop Inca Citadel Machu Picchu, still remains a relatively undiscovered gem as a retirement destination. The country's cost of living is incredibly affordable, making it one of the cheapest options available. Rents start as low as $150 per month, and indulging in a satisfying 3-course lunch, including a drink, can cost as little as $2.50. In comparison to other Latin American countries, Peru falls within the middle ground in terms of living costs. It proves to be cheaper than countries like Brazil, Colombia, or Chile, yet slightly more expensive than Bolivia or Paraguay. Overall, services, food, transport, accommodation, and clothing are significantly cheaper than in Europe or the US. However, when it comes to technical and electronic products, as well as imported food and clothes, they tend to be relatively more expensive than in their countries of origin. Despite this, Peru offers retirees an incredibly budget-friendly lifestyle with its charming culture, breathtaking landscapes, and remarkably affordable living expenses. Number 5. Portugal. Portugal, a country with a sliver of coastline and an interior that exudes a sense of timelessness, seems to belong to an earlier era in many ways. The people of Portugal are known for their warm and courteous nature, welcoming visitors with open arms. One of the biggest draws for those considering Portugal as their new home is its remarkably low cost of living. Even in the charming capital city of Lisbon, a couple can lead a comfortable life with a monthly budget of around $2,200. Dining out is a delightful and affordable experience, with a lunch for two at an inexpensive restaurant costing just $16, while a mid-range eatery may double that amount. Rental prices are also budget-friendly, with an average one-bedroom apartment in cities costing around $690, and outside the city center, a mere $450. Basic utilities are reasonably priced, averaging about $110 per month, and internet usage adds just $27 to the monthly expenses. In Portugal, you'll find yourself surrounded by romance, rich culture, and endless opportunities for adventure, making it an enticing and inviting destination to call your ideal spot for a fulfilling life. Number 4. Colombia. Nestled in South America, Colombia is a land where the Pacific and the Caribbean meet, and the Andes and the Amazon converge, creating a country of unparalleled beauty, drama, and diversity. With its breathtaking landscapes, Colombia stands as one of the most stunning destinations in the region. What's more, Colombia offers some of the most affordable living options in South America, making it an attractive prospect for those seeking a budget-friendly retirement or a fresh start. With a monthly budget of around $1,000 to $2,000, you can comfortably lead a fulfilling life here. Utility costs covering water, electricity, garbage service, and broadband internet average about $110 per month. As for accommodation, both central city districts and suburbs offer surprisingly economical options, with the national average for an apartment being less than $270 per month. Colombia's enchanting landscapes, coupled with its low cost of living, make it an alluring destination for those seeking a life of both beauty and affordability in South America. Number 3. Malaysia. Malaysia, a captivating destination with a wealth of offerings, has everything to entice someone considering relocation. From its lush rainforests, picturesque islands, and stunning beaches, to its reputation as a modern, dynamic, and constantly evolving country, Malaysia has much to offer. Its diverse ethnic mix creates a welcoming environment, making it easy for newcomers to feel at home. Moreover, Malaysia serves as an ideal destination for those seeking an affordable retirement, with the opportunity to dine out with a family of 6 or a group of friends in a good local restaurant for less than $6 per person, including beer. The cost of living in Malaysia proves highly attractive. The country's favorable climate ensures a year-round abundance of fruits and vegetables, while the cost of food products in markets is approximately half of what one would find in the UK or the US, making Malaysia an enticing prospect for a life of comfort, culinary delights, and natural wonders. Number 2. Ecuador. Ecuador, renowned as one of the best retirement havens for years, sits nestled in the northwestern corner of South America, bordered by Colombia to the north, Peru to the south and east, and the vast Pacific Ocean to the west. Blessed with fertile land that produces excellent food all year round, local markets offer an abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables at astonishingly low prices, often costing less than $15 for a generous haul. For those seeking an idyllic coastal retreat, owning a home on a Pacific Coast beach is remarkably affordable, with options available for less than $150,000. The rental prices for apartments vary based on the location within the city, with rates ranging from approximately $80 to $450 per month. With such reasonable expenses, a monthly budget for living comfortably in Ecuador comes in at less than $1,500, making it an enticing and budget-friendly option for those seeking an enriching and cost-effective retirement destination. Number 1. Mexico. Mexico has consistently been recognized as one of the top retirement havens, attracting more North American expats than any other country in the world. Wherever you venture in Mexico, you'll encounter charming locals, be captivated by the natural beauty, and be enticed to stay by the remarkably affordable cost of living. Finding accommodation in Mexico is pocket-friendly, whether you opt for living with flatmates or on your own. However, the closer you get to the city center or or the beach, the higher the costs may become. Many couples find themselves leading a very comfortable life on a budget ranging from $1,500 to $2,000 per month. Although Mexico is budget-friendly, its banking and money exchange services can be wildly inconsistent, warranting caution when handling financial matters. Despite this, Mexico remains as an alluring destination, with its allure lying in its affordable lifestyle, warm hospitality, and breathtaking scenery, making it an enticing choice for a fulfilling retirement abroad. Whether you're dreaming of a serene retirement or the freedom to live life on your terms without the burden of excessive expenses, these countries offer an extraordinary reality. From Spain's enchanting landscapes to Thailand's tropical haven, from Peru's undiscovered charm to Portugal's timeless allure, from Colombia's breathtaking beauty to Malaysia's rich offerings, and from Ecuador's coastal retreat to Mexico's warm hospitality, these destinations promise a life of comfort, culture, and new experiences. We wish you the best in your pursuit of a fulfilling life in one of these budget-friendly havens. Safe travels, and may your dreams of a joyful and cost-effective retirement come true. Thanks for watching. Until next time.